So what you can do inside of SketchUp is go ahead and isolate out group components as well. So first of all, for that, I need group components. So I'm just going to go around over here and then let's say, for example, draw this dummy shape right here. Let me just go around over here, triple click right here, and then make a group right here. Similarly, I'm going to go around over here and then I'm just going to go ahead and move it right here just like this and create a copy by pressing Control right here. Let me just go ahead and press Control right here just like this. As you can see, let's just go ahead and keep right here and make some copies right here as well. So now let's just go ahead and turn these into a group as well. So let's just go ahead and turn this into a group, and then I'm going to go ahead and turn these into a group right here. So you can see that both of them are model. So now let's just go ahead and then make this a group as well. So you can see that this is the group that I have, and let's say I want to work on this particular model. In that case, if I were to double click, it opens up the group as you can see right here. So I can go ahead and double click and then see the group. So others are not accessible right here, but as I click on it, everything is grayed out. But sometimes this might be confusing and you may want other group contents to be just hidden when you actually double click it. So for that, you can actually go ahead and isolate out the group components. So for that, you can go around over here onto the view menu, then go to component edit, and then you can go for hide rest of the model right here. So once you go ahead and do that, if I were to double click right here on a particular group, you can see that the others are hidden. They're not deleted. So if I were to click outside right here, you can still see the component right here. It's there. But if I were to double click, you can see that only the group component is highlighted. The person here has disappeared. Click on it again, and then it isolates it out to that particular group. Click on it again, and then it only goes ahead and focuses on this object. And now you can go ahead and make changes to it as you want right here, just like this. And then this is what you have. Double click outside, and then you got the group right here, just like this again. So let's say, for example, you want the components to be shown again while you actually double click any group. In that case, you can simply go to view, then go to component edit, and then uncheck hide rest of the model again. And if you were to double click, you can see that it still grays out just like before now. And that is how you can go ahead and isolate out group components inside of SketchUp. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.